What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about Gilead, ticker symbol is GILD. So this stock has been in hot discussion recently because of its magical drug remdesivir, which is one of the drugs that tested has positive effect to COVID-19.
Remdesivir is an antiviral medication, and what that means is that it actually targets a virus itself. You might get infected, but it decreases how much the virus itself is actually replicating. And that's important to know because we may find as more data emerges that there's a time point where you have to get this medicine by to really have an effect. So I think these trials help sort some of that out.
So today I want to talk about this stock, like how the company does, whether the recent news will bring up the stock again. If you guys are looking for a good place to find fundamental, technical, and financial data, I'm currently using Smart Stock Screener. I'll leave it in the description box below. You guys can check it out there. Its medicine remdesivir has positive effect to COVID-19 patients. It was said by Dr. Fauci about 1 month ago that it has helped the COVID-19 patients from recovery, and after that I saw a lot of more countries are starting to use this medicine, including Japan, Singapore, India, and much more. They have signed an agreement with the pharmaceutical companies, and they want to also use the medicine in helping the COVID-19 patients. So Gilead Sciences has been founded in 1987. It is a research-based pharmaceutical company that discovers, develops, and commercializes innovative medicine in area of unmet medical needs. With each new discovery and investigational drug candidates, they strive to transform and simplify care for people with life-threatening disease around the world, like HIV, liver disease, and some other like hematology and oncology, which is means tumor-related disease. So they have operations in more than 35 countries across the world and headquartered in Foster City, California. Gilead's primary areas of focus including the viral disease, inflammatory disease, and fibrotic disease and oncology. They seek to add to their existing portfolio of products through the internal discovery and clinical development programs, product acquisition, in licensing, and strategic collaborations. So through its years after it founded, the company has been very focused on a specific area, which is HIV, liver disease, and oncology. So because of the current COVID-19 is the virus is similar to the HIV virus, makes some doctors try this drug on some of the patients because of the similarity of the virus. So during the 30 years history of the company, they have developed very new and innovative products to meet the needs of the medical use. So this company is not just a pharmaceutical company, but also a biotech company where they focus on R&D and developing new products to meet the unmet demand. So I read the article about how the company has developed the drug for the liver disease, which is contagious, and so the company is very good at produce new medicine after they discover which medicine works best in the market, and they either acquire the companies who is producing the medicine or they work on that medicine who is already developed. So I remember I read an article about how they developed the medicine for liver disease, and they have iterated the medicine from phase 2 to phase 3, which can cure the liver disease from 80% probability to 100% probability. The company not just like trying to gain profit from the medicine, because after they cure the contagious disease, number of patients decrease, and then the sales of the medicine also decrease. So which means a lower profit for the company. But after the company understand that, instead of doing something like not like 100% cure the patients. They use the resources to develop a new and innovative area to help more people. So in that way, I think the company has a lot of social responsibilities. And even in this COVID-19 period, they have talked to the government and have promised to donate 1.5 million doses of this remdesivir to the patients who are in need. So that shows the company is really care about the society, not just making money from those patients. So after giving the fact of the innovative in this pharmaceutical development area, I do think that the stock will have potential to growing up again to $80. So the current stock price is $73, and because of the recent like good news and bad news like have fluctuated the stock a lot. But given that remdesivir is the first medicine to be able to like help the recovery of COVID-19, and also on the other side, the development of vaccine, it seems like take longer time rather compare with this kind of medicine. According to a friend from this industry, they said in order to develop a vaccine, it needs to like from 1 year to 4 years. So in that way, we still have a long time to go for the vaccine area. And so that's why I have more confidence in this medicine if it can be proven to help recovery of the patients. The company can continuously iterate the product and to be more fitted to cure the patients. And the company is currently paying a 3.7% of dividend. Although it hasn't been paying dividend for a long time, it's just several years, but I think it's a good start to consider like it's also a dividend income for the stock. Besides the news that is good for this drug, the company has been innovative in this pharmaceutical area and has been have the breakthrough technology in producing new drugs that help the unmet needs. I would be able to see its growth in this year, especially when there's other good news come from the medicine, remdesivir. But for the long term, I'm not sure, because if the patient is cured, they don't become contagious and not more and more people need to take the medicine, the revenue of selling the medicine would decrease. So in that way, it seems that the profit growth is not sustainable. But I still think that's a good thing for the society because less people get sick and more people are recovering. So for this stock, I think it's gonna be a short-term win because recently in the past 3 months, the stock price has been fluctuated from $70 to $80. So I think if the price drop further to $70, maybe it's a good sign to buy in, and I will hold it until $80 to make some like short-term profit. So yeah, that's what my observation about the hot news and this hot stock recently. Hope you find it helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.